back now, boy. I tell you, man, I used to getting up in the morning and every other morning and doing something, you know. A little exercise, workout thing, boy. I changed my diet too, you know. Yeah, man, I changed my 3 days. While I on vacation, I took a 3-day fasting, like fast for 3 days.
That fast is I can't wait to hear someone like that now. No insurance or nothing, and they got through it because police refused to chase them.
Yeah, and I just don't fish now, Abu, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, that's all I eat now, man. Fishing and
vitamins and stuff from that.
vegetable and thing and fruits, and that's all I eat now. My little sardine, my little mackerel, man. My little snapper and thing. And I bought a few lighter now. I noticed bought a few lighter since I changed my diet. Feel different, man. I feel like jogging instead of walking now. Yeah.
Dipping on lights. Come up by everything so bright lights to get the same treatment. I see somebody crashed down below you there.
Yeah.
Maybe you've heard this before, but it's just a little reminder. If you want to live to 90, stop looking for it on your speedometer. Be considerate, be aware, obey the rules of the road, drive safely. Thanks for watching. Give a like and subscribe. Follow on Facebook and Twitter. Cheers. Drive safely.
I need help. I can't be able to